Okay, last song for tonight. Officially the last song. My throat's fucking hurting. The man that I was not. Like I was saying earlier, I feel like this one might be insanely deep. So let's see what this is about. Best non-single on the album. Also, by the way, this is I believe this is officially the last song from the album that I have yet to check out. The infamous quote, "Beggars can't be choosers." Yo, this was my first time ever listening to this band. I would have never expected them to go aggressive, as they usually go. Hold on a second. It's kind of like the same feeling as when I listen to Linkin Park. Not saying that they're is identical. I'm just saying the feeling of how he's singing is giving me the same feeling as when I usually listen to Linkin Park. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Why did that scare me, dude? It's a song. That's the part where like, oh shit, did I skip this song? And like, oh no, it's the same song. Listen to the distant vocals. Wow, this this is, oh my god, that type of vocals, like the singing, not talking about the aggressive one, but the singing, it's always impressive. It's always something that immediately stands out to me, especially in like this type of genre. Dude, another song where if you re-listen to it, you hear something that you didn't even catch the first time. Because one, like I said, the singing thing is the thing that's really catching my eye, but also the guitar work and then the aggressive shit, and then oh my god, there's so much. There's so much, dude. There's so much value to this song. Ooh, hold on, one more time. Oh my god. That's so badass. Dude, the amount of range that they could go vocally, impressive. Oh. Oh, that sounds like you could just meditate out of it. I have a feeling something's gonna change. Oh my god. Dude, that is, oh my god, that is the most satisfying more of the outro song. Holy shit. Like, oh my god, like to me, I could just feel the song in my body. Dude, this literally feels like this feels like there's like a movie happening inside. Well, for me, there's like a movie happening inside my head. Like, holy fuck. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Right here. Right here. That's what it feels like. That right there is what it feels like. Wait, hold on. One more time. One more time. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Yeah, there. Jesus, dude, that is beautiful as fuck. Oh my god. Yo, if Avenged Sevenfold didn't release today, this would have been the star for tonight, but this is definitely the second place for me. Let me see, what are people saying? I'm stuck on this now. This is amazing. What an amazing track. Does someone know some similar tracks bands? This is the therapy I need. The Ribs petition for a trap beat to be okay. Wow. Oh, now this makes me more excited to see what they can do with the upcoming mini album that they're gonna release soon.